Hi guys, it's Zachary Fiorido, and this is a low impact cardio workout. It's very bar inspired, so we'll use some pliés, some big arm reaches. It's a great workout to do for low impact and apartment friendly. That's really important too. You're not gonna be jumping around, so no one's gonna get no noise complaints here. If you do have ballet bands or ankle weights, you totally can wear them, or if you want like light dumbbells, 1 to 2 pounds, you by all means grab those. You do need running shoes, or you can totally do it barefoot. What feels best for you, do it. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button as I post a lot of workouts, so stay in the loop, subscribe, and let's get the workout going, guys. Starting nice and tall, so we're gonna roll those shoulders back, get some movement in the upper body. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll it forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, circle the arms. You can do a little step tap, palms to ceiling. And what's really great with these ankle weights or the ballet bands is that they really feel the workload. Over time, you're like, oh my goodness, backwards. So if you don't have them, I highly recommend them, or you can grab like light dumbbells. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Open the arms, step touch again, side to side. Breathe. 1 and 2. So I love these kind of movements because there's also mind and muscle memory. So you'll be working a lot of memory work here. But you're gonna get a good workout, I promise you that. Good. For 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, wide stance. I want you to reach the hand, reach, and then rotate the palm back and forth, back and forth. There we go, there we go. Good, you can bend into it. Reach, reach, reach. For 8, 7, rotate the palm. 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, take it overhead. 1, 2, reach, reach, exhale, and again, bend that knee, a little side action. There you go, in 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, other side. Here we go. Reach and close. Reach, reach, reach. Good. 1 and 2, 2, and 8, 7. Extend. 6, 5. Lean in. 4, 3, 2. Over the head. Reach, reach. 1. That's it. 4, 3, in 2, 1. Good. Plie down and reach up. Take it low and high. Both arms down and up. Inhale. Exhale. Low. High. Bend those knees. Arms to sky. That's it. 4 more. 4. Reach up. 3. Reach up. 2, 1, and holy bend. Pulse, pulse. Down, down. 1 and 2. Squeezing the shoulder blades back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, cross your foot as you kind of kick it side to side. Arms out in. Palms to ceiling. Open, cross, 1 and 2. That's it. 8, 6, and 4, 3, 2, 1. March on the spot. Running up and down. Can I use those arms? Pump it up, pump it up. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. We tap, reach the side. Arms reaching overhead. Reach, reach, reach. That's it. 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Hold. Good. Hands step out in, opening up. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Squeeze the back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate. Give me knee drives into the chest. 1, 2, 1, 2. So pulling the knee as you extend the arms. 8, 7. Nice and 4, 3, 2, switch. Step back knee. Opposite leg. Pull the knee all the way up. Down, down. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Lift. 4, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Tap back, tap back, tap back. With the arms side by side, if you can, start to elongate. Reach back, reach back. And if you can add a little hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, or tap it back, whatever feels best. Hit, hit, hit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, reach the arms. 3, 2, 1. Good. Step tap. Woo! Get that heart rate, hey? All right. Hands here, in and out. Narrow, wide. Narrow, wide. Breathe. Catch your breath there. Hey. That's it. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the arms up. All right, knees go. 1, 2, march. Can you point your feet down to the floor? Lift the knee, lift the knee. Right away, I want you to abs engage. So pull the belly button up to the sky. Lift, lift. Shoulders down from ears, arms long. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Opposite knee, opposite elbow, twist, twist. 1, 2. Get that rotation, lots of core work. Arms are burning too. Twist, knee, opposite elbow. Can you physically cut to touch? Try to touch. 8, 7, 6, touch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One side. Knee, knee. 1, 2. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. 8, 6, and 4, 3, 2. Other side. Let's go. Knee, knee, knee. 1, 2. Bring that arm nice and high. You got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Singles. Let's go. 1, 2. We're back there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 4 on one side. Go. 4, 3, 2. Switch. 4, 3, 2, and 2. Switch. 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 Singles. 8, 7, hold on. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, 1. Center. Whew. Wide stance. Plie. We're almost there. Sweep the arm high low or low high. Sweep it down and up. Catch your breath. Breathe. Keep your opposite arm nice and long. And up. 4. Reach. 3. Reach. 2. And switch. I'm breathing heavy, guys. Here we go. I'm really feeling the burn. Sweep the arm. Low. High. Low. High. 8. 6. 4. 3. both arms, sweep it down, reach up, down, reach up, down, reach up. 4 more, 4, we're gonna circle the arms in 3, 2, start with the right side. We take it down, up, over, and high. Take it down, reach, arm up, lift, over, take it down. Sweep, back in front of chest, down, sweep, again, so it's low, side, center, overhead. Low, side, center, overhead. 2 more, bend the knees. This is where that bar-inspired movements come in, very ballet. And switch, take it down, up, over, lift, down, reach, lower, overhead, down, sweep, lower, lift, long legs, long arms, sweep, take it up, lift, lower, high, lift, lower, high, in 4, reach, in 3, reach, 2, reach, 1 more. All right, guys, both arms sweep down, around, down, around, 8, swoop up, 7, 6, we're almost in the finale, 5, in 4, reach, 3, 2, 1, hold the arms high, pulse the legs, 1, 2, tiny pulse, breathe, catch your breath, down, up, here we go, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold, little reach, 1, 2, side to side, you're taking it high into the ceiling, use your core as you extend the arms, side by side, 8, 7, 6, 5, you're done, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, you guys, my arms, I'm feeling it. I'm breathing heavy. It was a great workout. Thank you so much for joining me. Definitely grab some water. You can step tap. Our heart rate's still really high. It's kind of crazy. And we didn't jump at all. So kudos to you. Yeah, if you walk it out here, maybe roll the shoulders. Those arms are feeling it. If you haven't tried it with the ankle weights or dumbbells, definitely try it. Maybe even just with the water bottle, right? Like fill the water bottle and try that out. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Leave me a comment how it went. If you like this kind of workout or you want more cardio, I'm totally up for suggestions. And if you do want to help support the channel, I have a PayPal link in the description box. If you just want to help me help you create these workouts for you free on YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.